per unit area, and it can generate power every second in its life. So we have this crisis in front of us, but at the corporate level, we will still focus on HJT and continue to meet the customer's needs. Yes, there are still some challenges, and now we are at the center of a bank run. And now we have some undelivered orders totaling at 1.7 gigawatt. Some of them is IJT. It's a bit difficult to digest it. And if I had a time, I will talk to the members at the 740W+Club. And it's not easy to win the orders, and at the same time, we would like to deliver the orders step by step. And last but not least, I would like to apologize again. And this is a difficult time for us, and it's a heartbreaking moment for us. But along the history of ICOM, this is the 20th anniversary of ICOM, and I spent 18 years time at ICOM. I spent 4 years of time to bring this company listed, and we have developed many business models that have been verified successful in this industry. So the ICOM team is a team that can solve problems. So be it our chairperson or me or other management members, we are very committed to this issue. But I'm a bit tired, but I'm still feeling good because I'm an optimistic person. And please give us some time, give HJT some time, and we will give you a good result. Thank you.
那么我相信我们在座的每一位
I believe the club and everyone here today will give you the best wishes, and ICOM will for sure survive from these challenging moments, and you will for sure be the winner of HJT. Next, my question goes to Mr. Wang from Golden Solar. Golden Solar has the background and the history of real estate, and in 21 you get to the PV, and you selected the HJT, and the production capacity is mainly in Jiuquan. Starting from 2021 in northwest part of China, you and your products have generated a lot of power. Then I want to ask, have you regretted for choosing HJT? Second question, are you confident in the HJT power plants in northwest part of China? And what is the future development plan of Golden Solar? Thank you for your question, Thomas. And first of all, I do not regret for choosing HJT. There's a lot of competition in the industry, like N-type, P-type, and the TOPCon price are all going down. So this is the competition in the whole industry, not only for HJT. We've heard from our speakers, and Madam Lu Fang presented the market overview. In the next 3 to 5 years, the market size will grow by 30 to 50%, and this is an industry worth long-term investment. In Q1 next year, HJT cost is possible to be lower than TOPCon, and this is a very promising technology in the industry. So Thomas, to answer your first question, we are very sure to choose HJT is the right choice. And the upstream, also the downstream of the industry is getting more matured. For example, Mr. Zhou and his company Maxwell offers excellent equipment, especially in these 6 months. Efficiency improvement and production line improvement are all very ideal. This will greatly support further cost reduction for us. So we will be determined in making further investment in HGT. Talking about Northwest and Jiuquan, our investment is very rewarding, and we have two self-owned power plants. One Jingta and the other in Guazhou is under construction. This Guazhou power station is the largest single power plant with HGT technology, and the construction is very smooth. And we choose to go to the west part of the country because we want to be closer to our customers, because most of our customers are located in the east and the north part of China. So we want to put our production capacity closer to our customers, so the communication will be more efficient, and the cost will be lower, and we will be more efficient and responsive. So we never regretted choosing HGT, and our investment in the west part of China and in Jiuquan is very rewarding. I think we need to remain patient and confident. We shall have confidence in cost reduction, and we shall be patient in the market dynamics, and we need to be prepared in long term. No matter the silicon materials all the way to the modules, we do have a lot of cash flow pressure, so we need to be prepared financially in long term. I am a pessimistic person. I believe it takes a long time until HGT becomes the mainstream. Not only the manufacturing cost, but the operation cost shall also be reduced. We need to be more long-term thinking so as to navigate through the cycles. Thank you very much for sharing with us your insights. And my next question goes to Mr. Shen of Wenhai Tech. So you are the central government-owned company, the only one among the 10. So the SOEs are always like Party A, the clients, the customers. So why you choose to be the supplier? Is that the SOE chooses the HGT, or HGT chooses the SOEs? What are the reasons for your decision? Thank you, Thomas, for your question. We plan to have Dr. Ni, but he has some other businesses, so I'm here on behalf of Mr. Ni. Our major shareholder, one is the China Resources Power, and also the SASAC of Zhuhai, Zhoushan. Zhoushan is consists of many islands. It has rich resources of wind power and solar power. And our major shareholder, China Resources, has many projects in Zhoushan. It's the investment and resource swapping arrangements. As for your question, at Wenhai Tech, we are very confident in the future development of HGT. Since Q3 last year, we have our products from the production line, and we have the technical upgrade, and we optimized the production process. We have adopted measures to reduce the cost and improve the efficiency. For example, thinner wafer and copper paste and 0BB. So we are implementing these measures according to our plan, and we also have the technologies and the measures under development to support us to achieve the goals. So in Q4 this year or Q1 next year, as Dr. Zhang has mentioned, that we have the roadmap for cost reduction and efficiency improvement, and we are confident to achieve the goals. And we are firmly confident in HGT technology. Thank you. You have introduced the background of your major shareholders. That means the SOEs have chosen HGT, and we hope more SOEs will fully embrace the HGT technology. And maybe in the future you can leave the manufacturing to the private companies. And I want to share one more piece of information. Recently we have won a project in Zhoushan, close to Daishan County. It's about 100 megawatts, and there is another HGT project. So this project is from your shareholder, or it's open bidding? We will consider price, service, technology, etc. And we win the bid because we perform the best among all these parameters. I don't know whether other club members participated in the bidding, but congratulations to Wanhai Tech for winning the bid. And so my question goes to Zhao Xuewen. And you used to work on PERC, and now you shifted to HGT. I want to ask why. When your company was founded, and your position is HGT plus perovskite tandem cells. So what is your ambition of tandem cells? From HGT to tandem cells, how much time will it take? Will it be very difficult? Why you jump directly from PERC to tandem cells? Thank you. Thank you for your question. Good afternoon. I used to found my business in Vietnam. It was in 2016. It's the Vietnam PV Corporation, and we have BSF, and then PERC. And in 2016, polysilicon aluminum backfield, and then 2018 we have PERC. And in 2020, we were lucky that LONGi has acquired our company. And after 2 years, in 2022, I start to think what's the next step. And we have shifted from P-type to N-type. In the era of N-type, which technology shall we choose? And we need to be very forward-looking. And we need to consider the LCOE. It shall be very sustainable. So we shall not only look at 2 years or 3 years, the short term. We shall look into 20 years or 30 years. Like we plant a tree. The best timing to plant a tree was 10 years ago and then is right now. I think the HGT is the best choice for this time being. And we choose HGT tandem cells at the very beginning. It might look very ambitious, but when we change from N-type single junction to multi-junction, the only possible way is through tandem structure. And HGT is to lay the foundation for HGT tandem cells. And we make the bottom cells excellent. And it takes time to make the tandem structure matured. And a lot of resources have been invested in the researches, and there are many questions unsolved. And we need to check the reliability over several decades. Perovskite is emerged, and there are still reliability issues to be resolved. And we believe it will take 3 or 5 years to solve the reliability issue of perovskite. After 5 years, it might be possible we use HGT and perovskite tandem cells applied to consumer products. We might not achieve a 25 or 30 years of warranty, but we can use these tandem cells for application scenarios with less lifetime requirements.
And that need to be combined with our investment in this area, like investment in research institute, talent development, and supply chain. So we have formed alliances and groups from mono-junction to multi-junction. We are coming into a new era. We must be determined and confident and have a long and prepare for long-term value. So it takes collective efforts to support each other and get win-win results, and give this company more encouragement, this member more encouragement. We believe the HGT and tandem cells have a rosy future. We hope that we do not need to experience 3-year cycles anymore. We hope that we have long-term ambitions and long-term goals. We are not looking at 3-year cycles. Now I would like to hand over to the moderator. Thank you. I would like to thank the 10 founding members. A very informative dialogue. It's time to take some exercise. Please stay on the stage. And there are 3 items on the agenda for you to participate. And next one is the new product launch of the 740 Club. 740 Club. Please remove the sofa from the stage. Thank you. Please stay with us on the stage. We need you for 3 things. We need to set the stage first. Uh, 767 module efficiency. So today is a good day, the 12th of June. So 666 and 6 stand for success. And Rising Energy set a new world record. 767.38 watts. Now, congratulations. A big hand for Rising Energy. Now, please get the screen ready. So we need these small podiums. Please stand behind the poles. let's come to the new product launch of 740W+. Let's count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's take a group photo. Secondly, we will launch the Hjt Industry White Paper 2024. First, I would like to invite Thomas to say a few words for the white paper. Please join us up on stage. Thank you. From 2020 to now, PV and parity and carbon emissions and many issues that have driven the PV industry to move from 100 gigawatt to where we are now. This has propelled the exponential growth of the cell technology, and in the past 10 years we have seen the development driven by the cell technology. 2024 onwards, we have get all the conditions ready for the electricity parity, and the silver price has hit an 11-year high. Under this background, Hjt has officially come to the stage of PV. Will they come into mass production for 740W+ and be comparable with the TOPCon and the other technology pathways, and can it reach 10 gigawatt shipment? And that's all very important things to look at, and also that would determine whether 2024 will become the initial year for the Hjt development. And in 2024, the high efficiency Hjt 740W+Club was officially established in Shanghai. This club is committed to building a sound ecosystem for Hjt and enhance the collaboration along the supply chain so that they can provide supplementary values to each other and increase the competitiveness of Hjt as a whole. The China PV Hjt Industry White Paper is the first industry-wide report published by SolarZoom, and is dedicated to the Gen 3 technology of PV and Hjt's technology standards and Hjt technology roadmap, customer values, and we have given a lot of answers and guidelines for the industry. And we look at the political, economic, and market challenges of Hjt and predict the future development trends of Hjt so that it can provide reference and information and evidence for their planning and investment and development of Hjt industry participants. And we believe that this will become a technology for us to head into 2030. And next, I would like to invite you to witness the launch of the China PV Hjt Industry White Paper. Two, one, go. Congratulations. Now let's take a group photo. Please stay with us for another minute. And next, Mr. Gao Fei, on behalf of the high efficiencies Hjt 740 Club, will announce an announcement. On behalf of a high efficiency Hjt 740W club. I would like to read our announcement of the club. First of all, HJT module at the 2021 H1 that in the first half of 2021 will come into the mainstream 740 watt mass production shipment, and the manufacturing cost and then in the second half of 2022 will be officially lower than Topcon products. Thirdly, and with a continuous cost improvement and the silver consumption per gigawatt will be no higher than 3 pounds by the end of second half of 2025, so as to remove the bottleneck of silver supply to the PV manufacturing. Fourthly, and HJT module components market share will exceed 50% in 2026 and will become the mainstream Gen 3 technology of PV. And fifthly, we will accelerate the R&D, pilot, mass production, and shipment of HJT and perovskite tandem cells, and we aim at gigawatt shipment of HJT perovskite tandem cells in 2028. Next, I would like to invite CTC and the China Institute of Meteorology to sign a partnership. I would like to invite Mr. Zhong Liming from the Chinese Institute of Meteorology and Mr. Wang Dong from CTC to come up on stage. Now please put the tables on the stage. I would please put the agreements on the table for us. And we need some pens to sign on the documents. Now let's take a photo. Please take your seats. Coffee, please stay with us. Now coming to the last but not least item on the agenda, which is to welcome new members to join the 740 Club. The 740 Club is an open platform and it has received more attention of the industry. The founding members of the club have reviewed the applications of new members and they aim to build an inclusive ecosystem and work with entities that are interested in the ecosystem. Now I would like to award the plaques to new members to the 740 Club. There are 4. One is Tongwei Co. Limited. And Mr. Jiang Fangdan, please come up to join us.
第二位是
Second, we have the CTO of 中建材, Mr. Huo Wang, and we have a senior VP of Shanghai Electric Renewable Energy, Mr. Ye Dongting. And we also have a CEO of Zhuhai Clean New Energy, Mr. Li Changhong. Now we will present the certificates to our new members joining the club. Let's take a group photo. Congratulations. So Mr. Goffin, you can go back to your seat and we will invite our new members to share with us their feelings. And we want to invite the 10 members to come to the stage so that we can have a group photo with the new members together.
周成总、丁建总，还有沈明，还有我们杨博士，来一起。喂，你上去，请，我就在边上了啊。好，恭喜4位新成员加入啊！
Congratulations and welcome.
好，让我们再次以热烈的掌声恭喜4位新成员的加入。
Welcome our 4 new members. Our team gets bigger and bigger.
好，请各位掌门人回座，请4位新成员留步，要谈谈感言。首先，通威。
Dr. Jiang from Tongwei. Dear experts from the industry and dear members of the HGT Club, good afternoon. It's my great pleasure on behalf of Tongwei to join the club. And we have had a lot of communication about HGT, so we are fully confident about the future of HGT, but we still have many things to do, a lot to improve along the journey. Tongwei has made our contributions. In 2018, in our Chengdu facility, we have started the cooperation between the industry and the research Institute, and we partnered with Maxwell for the pilot production line. And in our Jintan facility, we have established the first gigawatt production line of HGT. So Tongwei is highly confident and very determined in choosing HGT over the time, and we have a continuous R&D and pilot test of HGT. We have consolidated our technical advantage. We have created 8 module power records in order to reduce reliance on sulfur. We have done the research and testing of the copper connection technology, and we started from pilot line to the mass production line of 100 megawatt. And we have successfully had the 100 megawatt mass production line this year, and we have a continuous investment. And our global R&D and innovation center has the 1 gigawatt mass production line in operation. And we will continue to be the benchmark of HGT manufacturers. Early 2024, when we set the targets, we hope to achieve 740-watt power of the HGT modules, and this is highly in line with the goal of the club. And after joining the club, we will be very active in shouldering our responsibilities, and let's make joint efforts to make breakthroughs in the HGT industry. Thank you. And dear members of the club and dear industry peers, and very happy to be the new member of the HGT club. We are one of the first companies exploring HGT. We were established in 2004, and we supply high-quality PV products and turnkey solutions. We have accumulated rich experiences in the industry. In the recent years, we have participated in the local government projects and national R&D projects, and we have our experiences in HGT as well. HGT has infinite possibilities, and we hope to work with the club members to explore the future development direction of HGT. And we will focus on the R&D and the production of HGT products. And we want to explore technical innovation, market development together with the club members, and to build an ecosystem together. And we are very grateful that the club gives us this opportunity to join the team. And we look forward to cooperate and grow together with other club members. Thank you. And dear experts, dear friends from the PV industry, it's my pleasure and honor to participate in this summit, and very honored to become the new member. And I've learned a lot from today's presentations. Shanghai Electric is one of the 3 power manufacturing companies. 1/3 of the power generation use our equipment. We focus on smart manufacturing, smart energy, and digitalization. Previously, we focused on traditional energy, for example, boiler, turbine, and power generators, and like coal-fired power generators and gas turbines. Now, with the dual turbine goals, we have shifted our focus. Last May, we have established our PV technology cooperation under Shanghai Electric. We focus on high-efficiency solar cell and module R&D as well as manufacturing. And we choose HGT for solar cells, and for modules we choose high-efficiency N-type products. And we want to be engaged in the development of the PV industry. And we have our advantage in equipment manufacturing, and we have domestic and overseas customers. And we hope we can grow together with our member companies, and we hope we can grow the market of HGT together in the future. And the experts and dear friends, good afternoon. First, I want to thank the club for the recognition, and I want to thank the founding members for your efforts and dedication. Hongjun was started our production in 2004. We have a gigawatt mass production. Today we joined the club, and we will adhere to the purpose and the mission of the club. We will share the resources and to facilitate the high quality, sustainable development of our sector. Thank you. Thank you all our 4 new members. Thank you very much. Please take your seats. Our journey starts from today. In the year of a dragon, we will take our passion and dedication to promote the development of green renewable energy as well as our PV industry. The future of HGT is coming, and I announce that our summit today comes to the end. Thank you very much for your time and participation, and wish you prosperous business and great health. We have a dinner also on this venue. The banquet will start in 20 minutes, so see you at the banquet. And the white paper is available at the registration desk.
就在这厅，摆桌子。
The banquet is the same venue, and we